Ready, start. The matter was remanded to CCRA for fresh consideration, particularly on the question of whether the original within bracket unamended bracket close or the amended provision under section 48 within bracket 1 of the act would apply to the cancellation full stop. Pursuant to that remand, the CCRA passed a fresh order on 16/12/2022, again rejecting the refund claim on the ground that the amended 6-month limitation governed the appellant's case full stop. Aggrieved by the CCRA's stance, the appellants filed writ petition within bracket C number 2018 of 2024 before the High Court of Judicature at Bombay, urging, inter alia, that within bracket first the right to seek refund accrued on the date of execution within bracket 17/3/2015 bracket close, thus invoking the unamended 2-year window, and within bracket second the CCRA had no statutory power of review to recall its initial order granting refund full stop. By the impugned judgment dated 18/4/2024, the High Court dismissed the writ petition, holding, in essence, that the date of registration triggered the appellant's claim, which fell under the amended provision stipulating a 6-month limitation, full stop. The High Court further opined that, in the specific facts, the CCRA's recall could not be struck down solely on the ground of no express power of review, full stop. Aggrieved with the dismissal of their writ petition, the appellants have now approached this court by way of the present appeal, full stop. Having heard the learned counsel for the appellants and the respondents, the primary issue for consideration before us is whether the amended 6-month limitation, introduced by the 24/4/2015 amendment to section 48 within bracket 1 of the act governs the appellant's claim for stamp duty refund, particularly when the cancellation deed was executed prior to the amendment but registered thereafter, full stop. The appellants assert that, although the cancellation deed was registered on 28/4/2015, it was executed on 17/3/2015 prior to the amendment dated 24/4/2015, which curtailed the time limit for seeking a refund from 2 years to 6 months, full stop. They rely upon section 47 of the Registration Act, 1908, emphasizing that a registered document shall operate from the time from which it would have commenced to operate if no registration thereof had been required or made, full stop, close. In other words, the operative date for their right to seek refund would be 17/3/2015, full stop. In our view, this contention carries substantial weight, full stop. The High Court laid undue emphasis on the registration date without fully appreciating that the appellant's accrued right to claim a refund arose the moment the cancellation deed was validly executed, full stop. The legislative scheme governing the earlier proviso to section 48 within bracket 1 of the act, contemplated a broader 2-year window, full stop. Constricting that window retroactively, merely because registration happened post amendment, unduly defeats a vested cause of action, full stop. Moreover, in MP Steel Corporation versus Commissioner of Central Excise, this court has held that amendment to provision as to limitation is inapplicable to a accrued cause of action where the amendment has reduced the period earlier provided, full stop. Sri A.K. Sanghi, learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the revenue, has strongly contended before us that present appeal must attract the limitation period as on the date of its filing, full stop.